I'm recording. So Movement Lab Schoology, private folder is I think the best way to just get their schedules. And Ashlyn has a different thing. I'll start with Avery. Get her quarter 3 schedule and open it outside of Schoology.
Zula. What did you do to do that? How'd you open that up outside?
I just click the title. Right. Oh wait, sorry, I wasn't presenting to you guys again. Um, Click the title at the top. Do you see?
Yeah.
And that presents it outside of Schoology. That way you can work on it, but don't just update this one. Make a copy.
It's quarter 4 now, right?
Yep. So you can just change it quarter 4, Avery's daily schedule. And then work on the copy. Make sure it's quarter 4 because having all their schedules is documentation for us that shows what they've been doing. So now here I'm on the new one, quarter 4. I think you can mainly use the same form, especially a lot of them are in the same what am I trying to say? Have the same structure. You know, Ashton and Elizabeth kind of changed. Most people have the same.
The times aren't changing, so that's good.
The times, yeah. I'm just noticing Avery's is different. So for this part, you go to now this, too many tabs, where are you? The quarter 4 schedule that we have that I started and just work off of this. Avery's is going to be different, so maybe this is a bad example, but you know, go through and see what she has and change it like whole group. This is different for Avery, but like for a different kid, you put Miss Wales for small group. Do all of our classes, and then Gen Ed. I'm just going to skip to Gen Ed for Avery. 11. She has frets. So, ta-da. I think you can get rid of this stuff for now. If you don't have the links today, that's not the end of the world because they're in person, except for Paulina and Matthew. They obviously need the links. Oh, I'm sorry.
Go back to where.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
But that's it. I mean, you just make a copy, and the form, it should be pretty much the same to just go in and look at quarter 4, see what they're doing each time block, and then just update it in their schedule. And I'm not finishing Avery's yet, but then when you're done, you just make a link, share, get the link, but change it to anyone in the Boulder Valley School District. Copy the link. And then in Schoology, back in Avery's private folder, add materials, add a link, paste the link in there, and call it Avery's quarter 4 daily schedule. Whoops, my cat just pushed that.
I think Marie did all.
Yeah. And then you can just check and make sure it works by clicking that. And it looks like she works. So Avery is a bit of a weird example because I didn't actually have to change that much. They'll go through, I didn't change anything. Like an example of changing something. Whoops. Am I still presenting?
Okay. No.
Let me try that again. I'm going to do my entire screen now. That might help.
The big snowblower handled it better yesterday than the little one.
So.
Do what you feel you need to. Okay. Thank you.
What you would actually have to change is in Avery's is down in LA. So you'd look at our schedule. Ta-da. LA1, Avery has Miss Marie. LA1. Avery has Miss Marie. And above and beyond would be just go to the top of her page, highlight Miss Marie, copy, paste. And if that doesn't happen, at least delete the link that doesn't line up anymore. Let's say we have next. LA2. Where is Avery? Is Avery missing in LA2? She's missing, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's good info. There we go. Okay, so then LA2. Let's see. Avery has me on Tuesday, Thursday, and Jan on Wednesday, Friday. So you can just write exactly that. Tuesday, Thursday, Miss Wales. Wednesday, Friday, Miss Jan. And then if you want to put the link in there, you could do this. Copy from the top. Tuesday, Thursday, paste. And then copy Miss Jan for Wednesday, Friday. I don't know why that's huge. Okay, I'll just finish Avery. This is a long film, but now, since they're here, Math 1. Avery has Miss Wales, and Math 2, she's freshman. Math 1, Miss Wales. Same thing, go somewhere and just find my link. Highlight and copy. And then freshen. Like, Avery's not necessarily going to access that, right? But now she can see it. Her IXL's already on there. Her logins are on there because Miss Wheeler's awesome.
Get rid of the M where you had, yeah, fresh in there.
Thank you. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to stop. Or here, wait. Quick summary at the end of this video. Private folders. Go to the kid. Go to their quarter 3 schedule. Open it outside of Schoology. File. Make a copy. Call it quarter 4. I'm not going to do that right now for Ashlyn. But then work on the quarter 4 schedule, going back and forth from our schedule. And then share. Copy link. Make sure it's Boulder Valley School District. Back in her private folder. Add link. And you can put it there and call it Ashlyn's quarter 4 schedule. Now I'm going to stop the